D27 RC Drone, Professional GPS Aerial Photography Drone. The DWI D27 RC Drone upgraded version is a state-of-the-art intelligent aircraft designed for professional aerial photography and an immersive flying experience. This GPS-enabled drone features cutting-edge technology, long battery life, and advanced capabilities for both beginners and professionals. Key features: GPS navigation for precision control. Equipped with advanced GPS technology for precise positioning. Supports automatic return to home, low battery return, and signal loss return functions, ensuring safe and secure flights. Long endurance and durable battery. Comes with a high-capacity battery, allowing up to 25 minutes of flight time. The rechargeable battery is easy to replace and supports quick charging. LCD screen remote controller. The built-in LCD screen provides real-time flight data, including battery level, altitude, and GPS coordinates. Intuitive controls make flying effortless for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Professional aerial photography. Features a high-definition camera for stunning aerial shots. Supports 4K resolution, capturing clear and vivid images and videos. Real-time Wi-Fi FPV transmission for a live view of the drone's perspective. Intelligent flight modes. Follow Me mode. The drone autonomously follows your movement for hands-free recording. Waypoints mode. Draw a custom flight path on the app, and the drone will follow it automatically. Orbit mode. Set a central point, and the drone will circle it while capturing dynamic footage. Stable and smooth performance. Optical flow and altitude hold ensure stable flight for precise photography. Brushless motors deliver powerful performance and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, optional upgrade. Advanced sensors detect obstacles in all directions, ensuring safe and uninterrupted flights. Specifications: drone size, foldable and portable design for easy carrying. Control distance, up to 1,200 meters, outdoor and unobstructed. Camera resolution, 4K per 6K, depending on the variant. Flight time, approximately 25 minutes. Charging time, 2 to 3 hours. Remote controller, 2.4 GHz frequency with an ergonomic design. Package includes D27 RC Drone, LCD screen remote controller, intelligent battery, USB charging cable, set of spare propellers, user manual, screwdriver and screws. The DWI D27 RC Drone is a perfect choice for those looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage with professional-grade quality. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional photographer, or a tech enthusiast, the D27 is an excellent companion for all your creative adventures.